Today we will talk about the passive voice of present continuous tense. As you know that we talk about present continuous tense when something is happening, something is going on, something is continue, an action is continue, we speak continuous tense. And if something is continue at present right now in the current situation, so we use present continuous. But sometimes we do not mention the subject, or we think that there is no importance of subject. If we don't mention the subject, the sentence will do, the sentence will work. We speak the passive voice. In passive voice, first of all, we speak the object, the thing that we are going to talk about. And then we speak is being, are being, am being. We speak is being for all singulars, like he is being, she is being, it is being, something is being, singulars. If the object is singular, we speak is being. If the object is plural, we speak are being. They are being, we are being, these things are being. And if we talk about first person singular, I, then we use am. I am being. And then we speak the third form of verb, like eaten, broken, taken, given, or anything. So the method of making passive sentence is that speak the object first in the beginning of the sentence. After that, speak is being, are being, or am being, and then speak the verb with third form. Let's take some examples. My car is being washed means somebody is washing my car, but I do not want to mention the person who is washing my car. There is a service station. I gave my car to be washed and somebody is washing right now. I am telling you, you are my friend. I'm saying to you, if you ask me where is your car, so I say that my car is being washed, means somebody is washing my car. So I don't need to mention the subject, the person who is washing. So I will speak the sentence in passive form. In the same way, the cricket is being played in the ground, means there are some people, some boys, they are playing the cricket, but I do not want to mention the boys, the people who are playing. I don't need to mention the people that they are playing. I am talking about the object, the cricket, not the hockey or football or something, but the cricket is being played. So there is the importance of object, not the subject. That's why I spoke the passive sentence. I hope you have completely understood passive voice of present continuous tense. See you again. Bye-bye.